So a quick message, all right? So coding is all about what? Practice. If not for the sake of building blocks or having a solid foundation, there won't be any need for this slide. Okay, we'll just go straight, download the softwares and we'll start coding. But we'll have to start from somewhere, at least have a background knowledge of what we are getting into. No amount of watching videos, reading will help unless you practice. So practice is the key. Practice is the key. Also, some of the things you hear might not make sense initially, but it will become clearer as we advance. All right. So don't get too overwhelmed with some of the terminologies. Don't get too concerned that, oh, this, I don't understand this and all that. So since you've actually chosen the path, okay, I want to learn Java, I want to become a software developer, definitely is something that you live with for a very long time. So initially, it might not make sense. It might look so somehow initially. But what I want to tell you is that just keep on with it. I'm here to guide you for now, and I know it eventually makes sense. All right.